Chatbots can use various protocols depending on their design and deployment. Here are a few common types. HTTP, HTTPS. Most web-based chatbots communicate over HTTP or HTTPS, allowing them to send and receive data over the web. WebSockets. This protocol enables real-time communication between the client and server, making it ideal for chat applications where immediate responses are crucial. MQTT. Used for lightweight messaging, MQTT is often employed in IoT applications and can also be adapted for chatbots needing efficient data transmission. XMPP. The Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol is often used for real-time messaging applications and can be suitable for chatbots that require presence information. RESTful APIs. Many chatbots interact with back-end services using REST APIs to retrieve or send data. GraphQL. This query language allows clients to request only the data they need, which can optimize the interaction between chatbots and their data sources.